Hello guys and welcome back to my Premiere Pro Masterclass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to color grade multiple clips at once using adjustment layer. To begin, come over to this new item icon over here and select it, and select adjustment layer and hit OK, and drag this adjustment layer and place it directly above your clips over here that you want to color grade. Next, select your adjustment layer and come over to the Lumetri Color tab. If you can't find Lumetri Color, come over to window over here and scroll down and make sure that Lumetri Color is checked. Now, under Lumetri Color, I'm going to make some basic color changes. For example, I'm going to increase the saturation. I could come over to vignette over here and add some vignettes to this video to fade the edges. I could increase the feather over here. I could come over to curves over here, select RGB curve and create an S curve, just something to differentiate this clip from the other ones. So as you can see over here, this is what we have now. If I turn off the adjustment layer, you can see what we initially had. But now if I turn on the adjustment layer, you can see the color grade. If I slide through all the other clips here, you will see that this color grade has been applied to all these clips over here. And that's a quick way to add color grades to multiple clips at once in Premiere Pro. But make sure that the lighting conditions of all the clips are the same. The clips were shot under the same conditions, such as lighting condition, the same camera settings, and all of that. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.